Welcome to my exam business where exports made easy. In this session, we are going to see the documents required to start an export import business. So one is new company creation. It can be a proprietorship or private limited company. Bank current account opening, IEC code, GST registration, AD code registration, LUT, FSSAI, or CMC. So these are the mandatory documents to start any export import business. So we will get into a more details about each document. So the first one is new company creation. So new company creation. So the company can be a proprietorship company or a partnership firm. So which is a private limited. So proprietorship company, if any individual want to create a new export company, you can go for a proprietorship. So to open a proprietorship company, first you have to choose the export import company name. So after you choose the new company name, you can do a ODM registration through online from MSME online portal. But for a partnership firm, there must be two or more individuals to create a partnership firm. So there are certain process required to create a partnership company, which is instructed by MCA, which is Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Okay. So after you create a proprietorship firm or a partnership firm, you can go for bank current account opening. So bank current account opening is a mandatory to start a import export business. So you can open a new current account opening in any nationalized bank using ODM registration certificate or a incorporation certificate issued for a partnership firm as part of the new company creation. So bank will ask you the company creation document to open a new current account. And next one is a IEC code, which is a import export code. IEC code is a mandatory document to start import export business. So you can apply for IEC through government DGFT portal, where I have given dgft.gov.in. So you can go to this website and apply for IEC code. So to apply for IEC code, bank current account is mandatory. And next one is the GST registration. And GST is also a mandatory for any export import business. You can contact your auditor or chartered accountant for applying a new GST registration. And after GST, AD code registration at customs. So AD code is nothing but a authorized dealer code. So for AD code registration, ask your bank to provide the AD code letter, which is required for a AD code registration, and you can use that letter for a AD code registration at customs. And I will post separate video for more details on AD code. And after AD code, you can do a LUT registration. LUT is nothing but letter of undertaking. So this certificate will be used to avoid paying GST for the goods which you are exporting. For merchant exporters, like you don't have a manufacturing unit, but you are purchasing products from a different manufacturers and exporting, are called as a merchant exporters. So you can use LUT to purchase the goods with 0.1% GST. If you don't have a LUT, manufacturers will charge you the rate as specified for the goods, like 5% or 18%, or whichever is mentioned, whichever is defined by the central government for that particular product. But if you have a LUT, they will charge you 0.1% of GST. And also LUT will be used while filing the shipping bill, and you no need to pay the IGST amount for the total sale value. And even if you pay the IGST amount, you can get the amount refund back to your account. I will post separate video on IGST refunds. And after LUT, you can go for a FSSAI registration. So for any food products, FSSAI is a mandatory document. So without FSSAI, you cannot do a custom clearance. And for this also, you contact your auditor or chartered accountant to apply for a FSSAI. So to get a FSSAI, it will take approximately 20 to 30 days. So better you apply prior to your shipment planning. And next, you can go for a RCMC registration. So RCMC is nothing but registration cum membership certificate. So RCMC is an authorized document issued by the Indian Export Promotion Councils. So there are different councils for each product. So for example, agriculture products, there is a Export Promotion Council called APEDA. For spices, Spice Board of India. For sea products, Marine Product Export Development Authority. So likewise, there are different export promotion councils for each type of products. There are different export promotion councils, and you need to get the RCMC based on your product. Okay, so hope you are clear on the documents required to start an export import business. For any clarifications or any assistance in any of the document process, you can reach us on the mentioned email ID or mobile number or a WhatsApp number. Kindly subscribe to our channel for new videos on new export import business. Thank you.